So when we did the catalytic converters on this thing, the oxygen sensors got damaged. They were kind of seized. We had to put a lot of heat into them, and they're no longer reading. All right, so here we go. The oxygen sensors from Reach. One is blue, one is green. Like I said, when I replaced the cats on here, the sensors were seized, so I have to go ahead and put those in. So let's get that done. All right, so what we're gonna need is a 22mm wrench to install these. So you just have to go ahead and detach that on both sides. The other one is. So here you go. So this is obviously the original one. That's the new one. So they're a little bit different. So I hope I don't have any issues. Let's go ahead and plug this in. But allegedly this is for this car. All right, so let's go ahead and get the sensor in. All right, so after you plug the wire in, you're gonna want to wire tie it up here to that bracket back behind there. I don't know if you can see my finger. There you go. All right, so here's the second one. Again, these are really old. It's a very different type of sensor. I'm hoping this works because it's pretty different. So, all right, so we got the sensor in. You gotta plug it in now. Blue one. You can see the new, brand spanking new pipes here. So I just have to go ahead and connect that, and then we're all done. Reset the code, and then drive this thing for 50, 60 miles until that sensor starts to report. All right, now we gotta hook up the computer. Okay. This is the computer. Yeah. Hold it for Grandpa. Hold the computer. Okay, then we're gonna take this. Watch. Turned on? Hi. It did, right? And then now we're gonna go here. Good, you heard it, right? And then it found codes. And then we're gonna go down and we're gonna look at the codes. We're gonna say no. Yes. Okay, and then we're gonna read codes, right? Yes. And then stored codes, right? Okay. And let's see, look at it. You gotta read it. You gotta read it. Push it in. You got it in? Yeah. There you go. All the way. Turn it. Hold it. Hold it here. Ready? Hold it. You turned it on. Oh my God. You did it.